Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Cambridge IGCSE specimen paper for 2025. So there are some big changes here, like one paper is with calculator and one is without calculator. So this paper, as you can see, the general instructions here, you can use geometrical instruments here. This is calculator version, right? Paper 4 is calculator, you can use in this, and this is 2 hours. Previously it was 2 hour and 30 minutes. Now the maximum length of the paper is 2 hours for the second paper. Okay, so another change here, you can see you will be given list of formulas here, although all the formulas are not given, but still there are some useful formula, and you should be like sure from your specimen papers that which formula will be available, so that you learn the other ones here. So these are the list, you can take screenshot or you can have the look on the sample paper which formulas are available. Now here we have first question, write down the integer value of x that satisfy this inequality, right? So this inequality, we have here 2 less than x, negative 2 less than or equals to x, and x is less than or equals to less than 1. So let me show it on the number line. So if 0 is here, we have 1, we have 2 here, then we have negative 1 and negative 2, right? You see here we have equal sign, so we are going to include negative 2 here. Negative 2, 1, 0, 1, negative 1, 0 and 1. 2 is not included because you see here is no equal sign. So our values are going to be here negative 2, negative 1, 0 and 1. So that's the value that we can include here. Now here we have this line given PQ. The triangle PQR and QR is 10 and PR is 11. Use a ruler and compass only. Construct PQR. The line PQ has been drawn. This PQ is given to us, and as you see, if we have this is PQ, then we will have another point R here, right? So this is how the rough diagram should look like. So here I am also drawing this. So place your compass at point Q, right, and open the radius of 10 centimeters. So let's say this is somewhere here, right? Then draw an arc like this. Okay, draw a big one so that you see the other one is going to come over here, and PR, P is starting from here, R is point going to come over here. So this you are going to open 11 centimeters. So when you open 11 centimeters, it's going to come somehow like this. Then you just join this point with the ruler. Sorry, my line, please bear with it. So this point is going to be point R. Okay, so I'm writing here this, you are going to open QR is 10 centimeter and this one is 11 centimeter, right? So this is how you are going to draw it. Now simplify. We have this one exponents, so I can you see we are going to use this rule here, x power n divided by x power n. This we are going to subtract the powers, right? So here we have x power 8 and divided by x power minus 1, so minus 1, right? Then we have y is 7, right, and minus 3. So this comes out to be x power 8 plus 1, it's 9, and 7 power 4. So y 9, 7, 4. Sorry, x power 9 and y power 4. Final answer. Now the domain of fx is this, find the range of. We are given that fx is this. So I am taking this one by one. Fx is 3x minus 5, right? So we are going to find out f minus 3. So just replace x by negative 3 minus 5. So this is 3 times 3, it's 9, minus 5, it is negative 14. Okay, then the second one is 0. When f is 0, replace again x by 0, minus 5. So this is going to be minus 5. Then f2 is going to be 3 into 2 minus 5. So 6 minus 5, it's 1. So we have the values -14, -5 and 1. These are the values of the range, right? Now number 5, you can see another diagram here. We have given 2 points A and B. So let's see what is the question. The question is 2 towns A and B. Now these A and B is the town, A town here, B town here, are shown on the map. The scale is 1 centimeter to 3 kilometers. So that means 1 centimeter represents equals to 3 kilometer on the diagram. Find the actual distance between A and B. So now what you need to do, just place your ruler at point A and measure it from here to here, from A to B. So I have measured this. This is 10.9 on the diagram. So 10.9 centimeter, right? So according to the scale, this is going to, as 1 centimeter is equal to 3 kilometers. So 10.9 centimeter is going to be how much? So we are just going to multiply. So 10.9 times 3. So this comes out to be 32.7. Okay. Measure the bearing of B from A. So wherever is from, so go to that point. This is the actually the trick. Go wherever you are written from. So circle that from A. So I'm going to go at point A. So 8 point is here, A to B. So this is the point B on line. So we are going to measure this angle from here to here. Just place your protractor at this line and then you measure this angle. So I got this 119. This comes out to be 119. Right. Now calculate. So this was measured. Now this is calculate. See the difference. This is measured. This is calculate. Now we are not measuring with protractor. Bearing of A from B. Now we have from B. So where we need to go? At point B. So we are going to calculate B, this angle up to A. So we are looking for this angle, right? So as you see, this angle is 90. So if I extend this line here, right, so this angle is 190. As you can see, this angle is 119 and this is 180, right? So we are going to add this to get this angle, 180 plus 190, 180 degrees plus 199. So this is 200 and sorry, not 99, this was 119. So this is 119, 299, right? So that's done. Now let's move to the next question, number 5. Before we move, number 6, before we start doing this question, I will request you guys to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and share your feedback, and also please don't forget to press the like button. It helps us a lot to create new videos, so that if we know that you are getting benefit of this. So just take 1 second guys, kindly subscribe and share and press the like button. So let's see number 6. A solid metal cuboid has volume of 600 centimeters. So the base of the cuboid is 10 centimeter by 12. Calculate the height. Now the volume we are given 600, right? And you know that the volume is length times width times height. So this is given to us 600. So length is given to us 10, width is 12, and height we are looking for, right? So divide by 10 times 12 and divide by 10 times 12 other side also. This is cancelled. So we have h is equal to, so just cancel this one. So this is 60 divided by 12, which is 5. So 5 centimeter is the height of the cuboid. Now the solid metal cuboid is melted. Now this is melted and made 1120 spheres. So this has been turned into spheres now, with each radius of 0.45. So the cuboid is made as the sphere now. So then when we melt this, so that means volume of the cuboid and volume of the sphere should be same, right? So volume of sphere, first of all let's find out volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, this formula is given to you on the first page, 4 by 3 pi r cubed. So this is 4 over 3 pi and r is 0.45 centimeter. This is given to us over here, cubed, and when you calculate this is 0.3817 centimeter cubed, right? Let's say this is equation 1. Okay, now next we can find out volume of the sphere, volume of, okay, this is volume of one sphere, and we have how many spheres here? 1120 spheres. So 0.3817 for one and 1120 is for the whole of the cuboids, that the spheres. So this is 427.51 centimeter cubed, right? Let's say this is equation number 2. Now volume of the melted, the question is find the volume of the metal not used. After melting they use this one, so which the total volume is here, you can see the total volume is 600, so which is not used. So we are going to write down volume of metal which is not used, right? So not used is 600 minus 427.51, so this is 172.49. so if we write down 3 significant figures, this is 172, right? Simple. Now next one, here we have question from probability. On any day the probability that it rains is 1 over 3 when it rains, right? This is when it rains. When it rains, the probability Amira goes for fishing. So there is a condition, when it rains then Amira goes for fishing is 3 by 5. When it does not rain, now see it does not rain, the probability that Amira goes for fishing is 3 by 4, right? So in the period of 60 days, on how many days it expected to rain? So probability of raining, probability of it rains is 1 over 3. Okay, and we are talking about 60 days times 60, so it's the straightforward question. So 20 days are to be expected to be with rain, right? B part, complete the tree diagram. So when it rains is 1 over 3. When it does not rain, this is going to be 2 over 3. 1 minus 1 over 3, it gives us 2 over 3. And fishing, it is when it rains, the fishing chances are 3 by 5. When it does not rain, then it is going to be 1 minus 3 over 5, that is 2 over 5. So this is going to be 2 over 5 over here, right? Then the next one we have, when it rain, this is rain, and this supposed to be here 1 over 3 actually, I don't know, this yeah, you can see it now. So I think it glitched here. So this is 1 over 3, then this is 2 over 3. The another one, when it this is yes rain no. When it is no, then we have given this is the, when does not rain, it goes for fishing is 3 over 4. So when does not rain, go for fishing is 3 over 4, and not is 3 over 1 minus 3 over 4, it is 1 over 4, right? So this is simply, you can complete this diagram. Now find the probability that on any day Amira goes for fishing. So any day go for fishing, so goes for fishing is here. So we are going to have 1 over 3 times fishing, then this is also the 2 over 3, and then she goes for fishing is here 2 over 3. From here we are going to go this one, and the one is here. So we are going to multiply that. This is 1 over 3 first one times 3 over 5. So you see 1 over 3, where does this goes? This is 1 over 3 here. 1 over 3 times 3 over 5, another one is 2 over 3 times 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. So this is 1 over 5 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so this is going to be 7 over 10. So 7 over 10, right?